Hello again, everyone. If you notice I'm wearing the same outfit I did in my last video, it's because I'm trying to work smarter and not harder and try to batch a little content here and there where I can. I'm too lazy to change my outfit, so this is what we're going with. I hope you like it because I'm really a fan of these new earrings, and this felt like fall, and I did a little fall sort of orangey brown on my eyes today, so this is what we've got going on. But I have got a very exciting video. It has a question in it though, and the question is it a blowout or not? I have been doing my hair a different way lately, and it's I call it a French bob. It's a French bob, that's what it is. But if you're like me, your wavy layers down at the bottom, your little bits at the bottom tend to sort of ducktail out. They kind of flip. Even this little guy is trying to hint at what I'm talking about here. So I've been doing something really unique when it comes to drying my hair, and that is I've been using this guy right here. But my hair still looks wavy, right? So is it a blowout or not? Is it curly girl friendly or not? So check this out. This is how I've been styling my hair recently, and you be the judge. These are the products we're using today. We've got Hairstory New Wash Original, Kevin Murphy Hair Resort, and As I Am Leave-In Conditioner. I'm taking off my plop towel and just sort of assessing the situation. I'm going to shake my hair out and just arrange it into place. I think this is the number one thing that people forget to do. Arrange your hair. If you like it when it's wet, you'll like it when it's dry. Yes, I'm using a comb. I'm using a wide tooth comb, a pick, to just really arrange things how I like it. No matter what I do to the back though, using my finger as a roller, using a comb, the back just keeps flipping out. I'm also going to twirl these bits at the top just so that I like where everything is landing. And then I'm going to bust out the diffuser, and oh my gosh, yes, the round brush. How is this gonna go? Well, I'll show you. Okay, we're on low speed and low heat. I'm gonna use the round brush to do the job that just my hand can't. I really just wanna make sure that it's curling under at the back. This is a French bob. It's got a certain look to it, and just holding the diffuser up has not been cutting it lately. So bringing the round brush in to do the job both on sort of a bottom layer and on a kind of middle of my head layer up has really made a huge difference. Is it blowout? I don't think so, because then I'm going to come in with the diffuser. So the diffuser helps me get that shape back in my hair. I'm going to use the round brush around my ear zone, these wispy bits that I'm growing out from the pixie, and then I'll come back in with my diffuser again to sort of zhuzh all that up, help those curls start to form. My hair naturally wants to bend, and if you know, if you are a quote-unquote fake wavy like me, you know. I'm using Hairstory Undressed. It's a texture spray. It's sort of like a salt spray without the salt. It's like a really, really lightweight spray gel before I go in with that section on my left to really help the curls pop up a bit more, and I'm sure I'll do the same. There we go, at the back, and then I'll do it at the front. I really like to use it right before I diffuse each section because it is a heat-activated, quick drying product. So if I spritz it all over and then diffuse my hair, it just disappears. It doesn't do what it's supposed to do. But if I put it on and then immediately hit the diffuser with it while it's still wet, it makes a big, big difference. So I twist some of those pieces, I spray it on, and then I load the diffuser and then hold it there for a few seconds on low speed, low heat. You can do medium speed, you can do medium heat if that works better for you. And it just really helps those curls to come back together. With the bangs, you don't need to do much. We're not going for blown out bangs, but it takes a while for our curl patterns to develop. So it looks completely normal for your bangs to be on the straighter side. Now let's move on to clipping our roots. There is a definite art to this, I'm telling you, and it's gonna take you a while to get it right. Don't get frustrated. I admit, I'm better at doing them on my clients than I am on myself, but I want you guys to see how I do it at home. There's no wrong way to do this, I promise you. And it might take you a dozen times before you feel like you've got it, but that's okay. So I've got a couple on the front, a couple on the sides, one on the back. I'm just putting them where I need a little bit of lift because, again, going back to the fact that our wave pattern takes a little time to develop, it really gives me a little bit more texture at the root. To have those clips in, they're also going to make it possible for me to maintain some height that I wouldn't be able to otherwise. It's all intentional. So if I know there's a piece flipping towards my eyes that's going to bug me all day, I'm going to flip it the other way and then hold the diffuser up to it. And that's going to make a huge, huge difference. And now I'm diffusing with the clips in. I'm creating that bump at the top. That's my lift. Lift is from the top of your head. Volume is out from the sides. So I'm going back and just setting. This is sort of the final set with the clips in, with the diffuser. My hair is already probably 80%, 85% dry. And now I'm just setting everything into place. You can even bump down that heat to cool if you want to. I'm going to do that in a minute to just give my scalp skin a blast of cool air, and it really helps to set everything. Now I'm just checking, is everything living where I want it to be? Where do I still want a little bit of volume, or where do I want to modify the shape a little bit? And then I pick those pieces up and then hit it with the diffuser one bit at a time. Almost done. But you see how this is taken shape? There we go. Now I'm popping it down to low heat. Should be on cool, probably on no heat. It feels so good at this point. Remember, I've hardly done anything with my bangs. Since it takes our wave patterns a little while to develop, it's totally fine to have bangs that are straighter. They're not curly bangs. We're not going for a bang blowout, but you know. All right, now we've got the back all done. Looking really good. I'm quite pleased with how this has turned out. And I would go so far as to say it doesn't look like a blowout at all. So it's really just all about using the right tools. You know what I mean? I mean, look at these results though. It doesn't look like a blowout, right? Not even the back. Wavy through and through. So I would say when you need, ooh, gross. Okay, still wavy through and through, just with a little added control. So you be the judge, you decide what's right for you. All I'm here to say is use the tools and techniques that work for you. The rules are what you make of them. Have a happy curl day, friends. Talk to you soon. Bye.